Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into Agile project management, creating user stories in Jira is a game changer for organizing your team's workflow. In this video, we'll cover how to do it step by step for 2025, with Jira's latest updates in mind. Let's jump right in. First things first, what's a user story? It's a simple, user-focused way to describe a software feature. Think of it as a user, I want feature, so that benefit. This helps keep everyone aligned on what needs to be built. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Jira account. Once in, navigate to your project dashboard. It's usually the first thing you see after logging in. Step 1. Click on the Create button at the top of the screen. This opens a new issue form, which is your blank canvas for the user story. Step 2. In the Issue Type drop-down menu, select Story. Jira's 2025 interface might look a bit sleeker, but this option should be easy to find. Step 3. Enter a clear and concise summary for your story. This is like the title. Keep it action-oriented, such as allow users to reset passwords. Step 4. In the description field, write out the full user story using the template I mentioned earlier. Add any details like acceptance criteria to define success. For example, the user should receive an email with a reset link within 5 minutes. Step 5. Assign the story to a team member, set priorities, add labels, and estimate effort if needed. This ensures it flows smoothly into your sprint. Finally, hit Create to save your user story. Now, you can track it in your backlog or add it to a sprint for development. Pro tip. Always follow the INVEST principles. Make your stories independent, negotiable, valuable, estimable, small, and testable, for better results. That's it for today's quick guide. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy Jiraing!